The Auld Folk in the Wa by Charlie Allan. I hae gane hier jou de heel driel, en I've graced the long park new. My bairnies are scattered, and idle stands my pleugh. I am left here wi' my memories, side tapner swingle tree. My hoosies was our Harold we, things that used to be. I hae pictures high in dozens, though they bear nae fancy names. There's some hang in the parlour, adding up in gilded frames. But there's een hangs among them, my favourite o' them a', just a douce old-fashioned photo, the Auld Folks on the wa'. There's a pinton o' Loch Lomond, and I've barns at the pleugh, some red deer on the hillside, and the greys at Waterloo. There's a moonrise in the gloamin', oh, small historic ha'. Somehow my I wonder stay the Auld Folks on the wa'. I still see the Clydesdale swinging as they clatter up the close. The single men with bonnets off come in to get their brose. The Carlow's loneliest carlin' mine o'er the mere at evens fa'. Aye, the memory's cruden when I see the Auld Folks on the wa'. I still hear my mother scalding, when we tore our beds o' clays. Still feel the almonds belt yet, when we set the hell ablaze. And the long, long years hae gone noo, since the baith were teen awa'. Oh, will I revere the treasure o' the Auld Folks on the wa'. Just a douce old-fashioned photo, the Auld Folks on the